Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon daily briefing video. This is for Monday, the 25th of July. I'm James Spann. A very classic summer day today. It's hot. It's humid. Some of you getting rain, some of you not getting rain. We have random scattered storms about. And we're going to be in this rut for a while. This is just what we expect this time of the year. This is the upper air look across the country today. Again, got ridging here across the deep south. We've got the jet stream on top of the heat ridge, and that's going to produce the major rain producers a bit north of the state. And the visible satellite view showing a few scattered clouds, convective pockets across the state. Check the radar composite as I do this update, and you can see really the more numerous storms across South Alabama, but North Alabama getting some decent showers as well. Here's a look at the Birmingham radar for the past couple of hours. And again, you can see showers and thunderstorms really not moving much. They're drifting slowly eastward today, but they're just totally random, totally scattered. And if you could define a classic summer day, this is it. And we expect the radar to look a lot like that for the next few days. We'll probably start to see an uptick in the number of showers and storms late this week, maybe by Friday and the weekend as a front approaches from the north. Check out the heat levels today, and these numbers are just not that bad for late July. Now, we're getting into the climatological peak of the heat here, and Birmingham at 90. We've got 86 for Aniana, Gadsden 78, thanks to a nearby cluster of rain showers. Tuscaloosa managing 91 today. If you're looking for some real heat, try Memphis. They've got 98. They're sizzling today. Shreveport, Louisiana, 96. We do have heat advisories west of the state, parts of West Tennessee, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. And again, that's a Weather Service criteria thing. Everybody's hot, everybody's humid, but this is where the heat index might touch 105. We also got some heat issues back in the Pacific Northwest. Flash flood watches for parts of the Southwest. The monsoon flow going on there. And we note severe thunderstorm watches up and down the eastern seaboard from near Chesapeake Bay up to the great state of Maine. You can see that area with a slight risk. That's the standard level 2 out of 5 for the rest of today and tonight. And tomorrow, we've got a marginal risk just north of here, covers much of Tennessee and Kentucky. That's with a weak front drifting in from the north. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, again, a marginal risk to the north. Check the rain here for the next 7 days. And again, the bigger numbers most likely over the Tennessee Valley. And again, late this weekend, over the weekend, a surface front will be approaching from the north. And that will probably give an enhanced coverage of showers and storms there. And understand we still can't promise rain for everybody every day, but a lot of folks in the valley do need some rain and got a fairly decent chance late this week and over the upcoming weekend. Here's a look at the tropical situation. And as has been the case for weeks, it is just very quiet. But don't think the season's a dud yet. We'll review the season at the end of November when it's over, but the peak of the season yet to come in August and September. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid tomorrow at 4 o'clock. And that looks like summertime. Ridging here across the deep south, jet stream on top of the heat bubble, and tomorrow like today, partly sunny, hot, humid, a few scattered storms around, probably low 90s, right at seasonal averages. This is Wednesday. Evidence the showers might be a little fewer in number Wednesday, and this is Thursday, but still there'll be a few around. And then on Friday, that surface front will be approaching from the north, and that's when we'll probably start to see an increase in the number of showers and storms, especially for the northern half of the state. And the same thing for the weekend. The front will not have enough southward push to move through here. It will not. We'll stay hot and muggy, but again, we'll see a number of showers and storms this weekend. I wouldn't call it a rainy weekend. But understand, every day in the summer, you got a chance of storms, but probably the coverage a little enhanced on Saturday and Sunday. Then a week from today, Monday, August 1st. Little trough in the upper atmosphere trying to come in here. And again, that would suggest a fairly decent coverage of showers and storms with highs in the 80s if this works out. That's a week from today. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, August 4th. Ridging here, and that looks kind of hot. Mostly dry, but a few pop-up storms are possible. Here's a look at the rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble between now and the 10th of August. The amounts there generally between 2 and 3 inches. That's the mean. Check out the heat levels from the National Blend of Models, the NBM. And you can see highs daily ranging from 89 to 94. And again, we all know we can see triple-digit heat this time of the year, so we'll take that. And hot off the presses, we've got the brand new CPC outlook. This is for the period August 2nd through August 8th. And if this works out, the core of the heat will be north and west of here, but temperatures could stay a little above average. So that's it for the afternoon weather briefing video today. We'll have notes on our blog, alabamawx.com. And if you can, watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock over in Studio A. Weather Brains tonight, the weekly show for weather dweebs, nerds, geeks, and dorks. That is at 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central on the new Weather Brains YouTube channel. Those used to sit here, all those episodes, but again, we moved them about a month or so ago, so look for that tonight at 7, and should be a fun show. Tim Heller is going to be our guest, a former Houston television meteorologist. We'll talk about the future of television weather and many other things. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.